let me introduce myself. My name is Salsabila Armadinata. You can call me Salsa. My student ID number is E31250303. I am come from class A. Today I will show you around my room and explain for location of about 10 items. First, my book on the TV table. Second, my laptop is next to the book. Third, my pillow is on the bed. Fourth, the document is in the basket. Fifth, the cable is under the TV table. Sixth, my AC is hanging on the wall. 7. My comb is between my laptop and my book. 8. My trash bin is in front of the bedroom door. 9. The doormat is in front of bedroom door. Finally, the album is behind the bouquet of flowers. That's all about my room and the location of my personal items. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time and bye-bye!